Our next question is from June 2020, question 3C, paper 2. Question yedu iri kuti the equation of a straight line is y plus 3x is equal to minus 4. So since we are in an exam, we are rushing against time, tinogona kubva tatonyora that information before tatomboverenga any further. Taudzwa kuti y iri equal to chi? It's actually y plus 3x. So y plus 3x is equal to minus 4. That's the equation. So Vazwanzi, find the coordinates of the point where the line crosses the y-axis. The point where the line crosses the y-axis is a special term. What is it called? Zita tinopa, a point where a line crosses the y-axis. Let us say our line is like this. Panapa point in a zita. I want an answer from you on this one. Thank you. Saka kana question ikauya ichiti find the coordinates of the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Can you see kuti varongobvunza kuti tell us what is the y-intercept, but in a clever way. You can see that, right? Yeah. Okay. Saka ndo zvangoitika apa. Saka tinoita sei kuti tiwane y-intercept? Hazvinetsi, tinongoarrange this equation in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Inenge iri c yacho ndiyo chi? Y-intercept. Saka tichaendesa plus 3x kuside uku yova y is equal to minus 3x like that, then minus 4 yoramba yakadaro like this. Saka as you can see, gradient d minus 3 and c ndian d minus 4. Please remember kunyora with its sign minus 4. Saka parikunzi coordinates of the point where the line crosses the x-axis. Another trick to this question haisi kuvhunza in particular the y-intercept. Iri kuda a point, and we should know that a point is made up of what? X and y. Saka since isusu tawana kuti the y-intercept ndi minus 4, zvazikureva ndezvekuti papoint panapa value ya y ndiani? Minus 4, which is counterproductive because you might be wondering kuti nemhaka yezvadai so. Saka patinodrawa line iri, ndangoti drawera for the sake of illustration, but tikada kuti rive perfect, let me draw which is more mathematically inclined. Enge rakadai so. Katarisa our gradient, the gradient is what? The gradient is negative. It's downward sloping, but the point where the line crosses the y-intercept is also negative. Saka line redu rakadai. Panapa ipo pachi pa minus 4. Then it's downward sloping. Saka on a coordinate, on a Cartesian plane, xy plane, line redu ringe rakada kudai so. Ma understand? Okay. Saka what is taona panapa kuti pa point the value of y is minus 4. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? 0. Those noreva kuti intercept. Intercept point line parino crosser the y-axis. Kureva kuti at that point the value of x should be 0, as you can see panapa. Saka therefore point yatanzititsvage ndiani? Is 0 minus 4. Zvaoneka nemubvunzo anywhere pamunoda kuti panyatsokutsanangurwa kana kuti okay. Part 2 iri kuda kuti titsvage the gradient of the line. Saka what is the gradient of the line? Sezvatangoratidza panapa ndi minus 3. Ndosaka ine 1 mark. kungotonotora -3 sezvaari kukopa chaiko. Saka that's why ine 1 mark. Then the third part iri kuda kuti titsvage the equation of a parallel line to the line. Saka the equation of a line parallel to the line, y is equals to 3x minus 4 and passing through the point 3, 5. Saka maquestions aya erudzi urwu anowanzo kupatadza vanhu. So let us break it down. Chamunofanirwa kutanga kuziva ndechekuti gradients of parallel lines are the same. Ndochekutanga. Saka kana tine ma-parallel lines, for example, this line parallel to this line. Kana gradient repanapa riri 2, gradient reline iri futi ndiani? 2. Ndochekutanga. Saka maquestions ese mucoordinate geometry anouya achitaura pamusoro pe-parallel line. Zivai kuti you should take the gradient of one line to be the gradient of the other line. So using that information, where do we get to? We get to this. We draw our line, which is the original line ratinaro. Saka line randadraw iri ndiro chi? Y is equal to, actually I can say y is equals to minus 3x minus 4 for the sake of simplicity. Zvataita kumusoro kunoku minus 3x minus 4. But tirikuudzwa kuti we have to find the equation of a line which is parallel. Saka line iri rine rimwe line riri parallel to it. We have to find the equation of a line parallel to that line and passing through the point 3, 5. Saka let us assume that line rachinenge rakadai so parallel in. We need to find the equation of this line. We don't know it, but we are told that it's parallel to this line. Saka we can put these arrows which show what parallel means, and it's passing through the point 3, 5. Saka along this line we have a point 3, 5. If you look at it closely, you are going to see kuti question iyi yakafanana nequestion yataita number 1, because we are given a point 3, 5 and we are also given a gradient. Gradient ndeani? -3. Gradient yeline iri ndi -3 because gradient line rino iri, of which these two lines are parallel, ndeani? -3. But I can leave it here, referring you back to the first question we did, because in this question tanga tine gradient and the point. In this question we deduced again the gradient and the point. So tasvika tesere pano so that we can just rush through the solution. M is equal to tangent y over tangent x. Saka kuline ratiri kutsvaka gradient funga unogadzira yepoint x y. Toti this is then tokunangotanga na y kunoku, saka y minus 5 over x minus 5. Saka point yatatanga nayo ndio yatoramba tichitanga nayo. This then is equal to chi? The gradient minus 3. Saka y minus 5 yedu tokunakuisa brackets like this over x minus 5 brackets like this is equal to -3. Across multiplier zvireva kuti y minus 5 iri equal to -3 multiplying x minus 5, like that. Then zvadai so, let us simplify this. Y minus 5 is equal to, we remove brackets, -3 times x minus 3x minus 3 times -5 plus 15. then toendesa kunoku saka y iri equal to minus 3x plus 15. A negative becomes a positive kunoku. So y is minus 3x plus 20. That is the equation of a line parallel. Ndomaonero ratinoita kureva kuti we have two lines. We have a line y is equal to minus 3x, it's minus 3xg minus 4, minus 3x minus 4, which is parallel to another line y is equal to minus 3x plus 20. As you can see, the gradient is the same. And denotanga tichida kuisa pacartesian plane. Line riri rekutanga ringe riri kunoku, of course, because panapa ndeyani minus 4. Saka iri ndiro line y is equal to minus 3x minus 4. Iri rimwe line ringe rakadai so. Ari parallel, remember, because panapa ndeyani 20. So this is the line y is equal to minus 3x plus 20. That is how it looks. Any questions? Anyway, you want clarity or we move on? Okay, moving on it is. But don't keep avenues. Please. That's the reason why we do these lessons live.